Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's April 13th, 2026. TI Silicon Valley is gearing up for TICon 2026, with artificial intelligence set to take center stage in reshaping entrepreneurship and startup ecosystems. The India-America Cultural Foundation marked its 25th anniversary, spotlighting AI's growing impact on communities and cross-border collaboration. Relatives of Gautam Adani have moved a US court to dismiss an SEC lawsuit, pushing back against allegations tied to the conglomerate. A new digital trade portal has been launched to strengthen India-US commerce, aiming to simplify business engagement and expand bilateral trade. An immigrant tech professional has found creative expression in music, debuting in an international film that blends technology and art. SRCC's centenary celebrations highlighted global alumni ties, emphasizing philanthropy and the institution's enduring academic legacy. The Maitri Gala 2026 brought together music, purpose and community, raising support for social initiatives through cultural engagement. 5 Indian origin scholars have been named to the Microsoft Research Fellowship 2026, recognizing excellence in cutting-edge technology research. US Vice President J.D. Vance says there is no deal yet in ongoing US-Iran talks, signaling continued diplomatic uncertainty. As Pakistan brokers a ceasefire in its region, India is watching developments closely amid shifting geopolitical dynamics in its neighborhood. Analysts warn Iran faces mounting internal and external pressures, with rising uncertainty over its political and economic future. CRY America will host gala events across 5 US cities, aiming to boost support for child welfare initiatives. Health experts highlight the benefits of different types of tea, from boosting immunity to improving digestion and overall wellness. In the IPL 2026, Rajasthan Royals chased down 202 runs, with Suryavanshi and Joral delivering a standout performance against Royal Challengers Bangalore. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.